Alright, so in this video we are going to discuss intersecting chords and secant theorem. The first one, what is a chord? A chord is a line that divides a circle into two unequal parts that have minor segments and a major segment. So if I have something like this, okay, this is a line that we call a chord. A chord will divide a circle into minor segments, and this is what we call the major segment. So the first theorem is this: when I have chord that intersect inside a circle like this, intersecting chord have this. Suppose I have one chord like this, I call the chord AB. I have another chord that I call chord CD. They now intersect at a point that we call what now? P. The theorem says PA times PB is equal to PC times PD. So we have PA times PB equals PC times PD. That's the theorem under what now? Intersecting chord. Look at this question. We have two chords AB and CD. They intersect at the point P inside the circle. PA is 4. We're given PA as 4. PA is 4 cm. We're given PB as 9 cm. PB 9 cm. We're given PC as 6 cm. PC as 6 cm. We now have to find PD. PD. God says these chords are two intersecting chords. Okay? They intersect inside a circle. Two chords AB and CD intersect at P, a point inside a circle. PA is given as 4, PB is given as 9, PC is given as 6. We now have to find what now? PD. We use the intersecting chord theorem. Using the intersecting chord theorem. So we have this. Our PA, which is what now? 4 times PB. PB is what now? 9 equals to PC 6 times PD unknown. What's the next thing? We divide by what now? By 6. Now we are having 4 times 9 by 6 equals to 6x by 6. 6 will cancel out what now? 6 here. Our x now goes to 3 here. We have 2. 3 here. We have 3. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 2. Our final answer will now be 2 times 3, which will give us what now? 6 centimeters. That's the first theorem under intersecting what now? Chord. The next one is what we call a secant. A secant is a line that cuts a circle at two distinct points. A secant cuts a circle at two distinct what now? Points. So this place now, this place is what now? A secant. A secant must cut a circle at two distinct points. While a chord is just within this point is the chord. A secant must cut across the what now? The circle. This is a secant, that is a chord. So the first theorem that we have under what now? Under secant, we call secant theorem. Secant, this one is what now? Intersecting chord. Intersecting what now? Chord. So the next one is what we call secant theorem. So let's go to the next one. Secant theorem. Secant theorem. So we have it like this. Secant theorem. So this is secant. This is another what now? Secant. So this is the point of what now? Intersection. Suppose we call this one what now? A. We call this one what now? B. We call this one what now? C. And we call this one what now? D. So using the secant theorem, secant theorem. Theorem says the product of this whole length times the external length of this secant is equal to the product of this whole length times the external what now? Length. Meaning TA, the whole length, times TB, the external length outside, equals to TC, the whole length, times TD, times this. This is what we call what now? Secant theorem. So let us solve the question under the secant theorem. Under the secant what now? Theorem. So we have this question to be solved. Let's go. We have this question to be solved. Let me get the question. Let me just read the question out. Don't waste our time. So we have this diagram. What is diagram? We have this diagram. P is here, A is here, B is here, D is here, C is here. This one is given as what now? 3 cm. This is given as 9 cm. This is now X, and this is given as 4 cm. So we now have to find what now? Find X. How do you find X? This is what now? Secant theorem. So let us go to B. The whole length, PB, that. So we have the whole length, PB, times external length, PA, equals the whole length, PD, times external length, P what? PC. So what are PB? PB is 3 plus 9. Please, okay? It's from this length to this length. The whole length, that's what now? 12. So we have 12 times PA is 3 equals to PD, the whole length. That will be what now? 4 plus x. So we have 4 plus x times PC is what now? External length. So we have to what now? Times 4. Class, whenever we ask me like this in mathematics, okay, we can open the bracket. Okay, but the best way is to divide. Since this one is what being multiplied by this, the best way is to divide by what now? By 4. That's the best way to do. So let's say divide both sides by what now? By 4. Now we have been 12 times 3 all over 4 equals to 4 plus x bracket 4 all over what now? 4. 4 cancel out what now? 4. Now we have been what now? 4 plus x is equals to 4 here 1, 4 here what now? 3. 3 times 3 will give us what now? 9. Our x will give us what now? 9 minus 4. X will give us what now? 5 centimeters. So the last theorem is what we call tangent secant theorem. Tangent secant theorem. So what will that be? Tangent secant. This one is secant. The first one is what now? Intersecting chord. And the last one is secant tangent theorem. Secant tangent theorem. Secant tangent theorem. See that? So how this? A tangent is a line, straight line, that touches a circle at a point externally. A tangent is a line that touches a circle at a point externally. That point is called point of contact. Point of contact or point of tangency. So this is tangent, this point. Okay, this is our tangent. This is the circle at what now? At a point externally. Externally. We now have our what now? Our secant. Like one more. It's our second. So here we have P here, we have A here, we have B here, and we have what now? C now. What's the theorem? Whenever you have a secant and tangent, the rule is PA, the tangent all square, PA all square equals to the whole length PC times external PB times external PB for a secant tangent theorem. Tangent all square equals to what now? The whole length PC times PB. External length, whole length. Let us take the question. Let us take the question. Let us take the question. From external point P, a tangent PT equals 6 meters. A tangent PT equals 6 meters. Let me wipe this one up. Let me wipe this one up. A tangent PT equals 6 meters. From an external point P, external, this is the external point P. This is external point. We are calling what now? Tangent and what now? Secant from external point. I can also say a secant and a tangent from external point. This is external point. So I have this. Let's say from external point P, a tangent PT. So we have these are external point P. And this is what now? T. Tangent PT. Tangent PT is 6 meters. Okay? And a secant PAB. PAB. So what like this? PAB. A and what now? And B. PAB. That is what now? A secant. Where PA is 3. PA is given as what now? 3 meters. We have to find PB. Find PB. But AB, we don't know AB. Let's put what here? X. What's the theorem? Our PT all square equals external what now? Length times the whole length. What's the whole length? PB, which is 3 plus X. 3 plus X, the whole length. How will that what? 3 plus X, the whole length, then times external length, that is PA. 3. So, what I need to do, okay, let me write everything first. Let me write it first. PB times PA. PA. So, let us substitute. What are PT? That is 6 all square equals to, what are PB? 3 plus X, then times, what are PA? Our PA is what? Our PA is 3. I told you, anytime I have a teaching like this, you're going to divide this by what now? Although I can open the bracket, but the best form is to divide. By what now? By 3. So what is 6 squared? 6 squared equals what now? 36. Equals to what now? 3 plus X by 3 over 3 over what now? 3. 3 will cancel out 3 here. So 3 here 1, 3 here 1. So I have 1 and 2 equals to what now? 3 plus X. Our X equals to what now? 12 minus 3. X will give us what now? 9 what now? 9 meters. 9 meters. So our PB is 3 plus X. PB, don't forget, equals to what now? 3 plus X. That will have what now? 3 plus what now? 9. Everything goes what now? 12 what? 12 meters. Okay? So that is the what now? The complete part of the video under intersecting chords and secant theorem. I'm going to give you some questions. Make sure you drop the answer in the comment section below. Okay? And if you want more amazing videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, share the link to your friends, and like, comment. As you do so, God will bless you. So let me give you questions that I'm going to drop in the comment section below. So we have just one question here. Let me give you one question here. Should I give you let me give you 2 questions? Just that. Please make sure you drop your word and your answer in the comment section below. So I write this one up. I write this one up. Let's go. So that one, I have this. Which theorem is this one? Class. Which theorem is this? I have this. I have this. Which theorem is this? Correct. So here we have what now? S plus 2. Here we have 6. Here we have what now? 9. And this case we have what? X. This case we have X. We have to find X. Find X. That's the first one. And the second question. Second question. Second question. Okay. Yeah. Let's have just this one. Okay. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.